evening, Calaminians. We're here at the favorite of Ramsey, the favorite burger place of Ramsey, Burger Joint.
Yeah.
Here at the gallery in Mabolo, and mag-burger night mi karon. So check out what we'll order. Just like last night, we have a slow-mo eating contest. So, karon is the best burger eater sa
Slow-mo
Tulo.
challenge.
Yeah, slow-mo challenge. I thumbs up sa iya.
Love sa
Pusuan
burger.
sa ako.
Yeah.
Ramsey is wow. So, who was the best burger eater sa among Tulo? I have the wasabi burger and I put some onion rings inside.
Muna akong kanon nga burger guys na muna ang Hawaiian burger. So ako ni i-try no kung angayan ba kumukha og burger.
So, I'm having the double joint burger, double patty, kay double the love. I'm gonna eat now.